In a post-COVID-19 world, contactless and touchless interaction plays a significant role in restoring consumer confidence on using public terminals. Mr. Smiley's touchless feedback system provides a real-time contact-free experience on measuring customer insights hygienically in any environment. This innovative contactless feedback ensures your consumers feel safe and improves the brand loyalty. The device gets connected with Wi-Fi and sends data via online for instant reporting. The secured dashboard analytics helps businesses to make smarter decisions with the feedback insights of their customers. Identify issues, spot trends and implement the actions that will create better experience for your users. Mr. Smiley Touchless, the hygienic way to collect feedback insights anytime anywhere 24/7. For more information and product queries, mail us at support@interactix.in.